How to build muscle in your upper body. Tips and strategies. Understanding your upper body anatomy. To successfully build muscle in your upper body, you need to understand which muscles you're working and why. The upper body consists of several important muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, back, and arms. Each of these groups plays a key role in daily movements, like pushing, pulling, and lifting. The chest, primarily the pectorals, is responsible for pushing motions. The shoulders, especially the deltoids, stabilize and move the arms. The back, with muscles like the lats and traps, handles pulling motions and posture. Your arms, including the biceps and triceps, support nearly every movement. When these muscles are trained together in balance, they produce a well-rounded, powerful physique that's not only aesthetic, but functionally strong. 2. The role of progressive overload in muscle building. One of the biggest secrets to building upper body muscle is a principle called progressive overload. This means consistently pushing your muscles to do a little more than they're used to. If you keep doing the same exercises at the same intensity, your muscles adapt and stop growing. The key is to keep introducing new challenges. This might mean using slightly more resistance, performing more repetitions, or increasing the total time your muscles are under tension. Even small changes can spark new growth. This concept doesn't just apply to lifting heavier weights, it also applies to better technique, improved control, and increased intensity. Over time, these small improvements lead to big changes in strength and size. 3. Why compound movements should be your foundation. When it comes to getting the most from your workouts, compound movements should be the foundation of your routine. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at the same time, allowing you to lift heavier and build more muscle. Think of exercises like the bench press, pull-ups, push-ups, rows, and overhead presses. These movements not only build strength, but they also help improve coordination and increase overall muscle mass efficiently. Compound lifts mimic real-life movements, making them functional and effective. By consistently training with these full-body movements, you develop strength in a way that benefits your everyday activities while stimulating more muscle fibers during each session. 4. How isolation exercises shape and sculpt your muscles. While compound lifts are essential for mass and strength, isolation exercises are the tools you use to refine your physique. These movements focus on a single muscle group at a time. Examples include curls for the biceps, extensions for the triceps, and lateral raises for the shoulders. They allow you to target weak spots, improve symmetry, and create definition. Isolation exercises are perfect for adding detail and shape after you've built your base. They also reduce stress on joints and help prevent overtraining large muscle groups. Incorporating them into your workouts ensures that your upper body isn't just strong, but also well-balanced and sculpted. 5. Creating an upper body routine that works. Building a routine doesn't have to be complicated. The most effective upper body routines are simple, consistent, and targeted. A good routine combines both compound and isolation movements and allows time for recovery. You can focus on different muscle groups on different days, such as chest and triceps one day, back and biceps another, and shoulders and core on a third. What matters most is consistency. Show up, follow a balanced plan, and stick with it. Your routine should also include a proper warm-up to prepare the muscles and joints, as well as a cool down to promote recovery. Keep things fresh by rotating your exercises every few weeks to prevent plateaus and keep motivation high. 6. The crucial role of nutrition in muscle development. Muscles can't grow without the right fuel. What you eat is just as important as how you train. Protein is essential because it provides the building blocks your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. But you also need complex carbohydrates to give you energy for intense workouts and healthy fats to support hormone production. A balanced diet with lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to grow stronger. Eating regularly throughout the day helps keep your energy levels up and ensures a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. Also, drinking plenty of water supports recovery and helps your body function at its best. 7. Rest and recovery are non-negotiable. If you're constantly pushing yourself in the gym but not seeing results, the missing piece might be recovery. Your muscles don't grow during your workout, they grow while you rest. Recovery allows your muscles to repair the micro-tears that occurred during training, making them stronger than before. Skipping rest days or not getting enough sleep can actually slow your progress. Quality sleep helps your body produce the hormones it needs to build muscle and recover effectively. Taking time off from intense training also prevents burnout and injuries. Active recovery, like stretching or light movement, can keep your blood flowing and reduce muscle soreness without adding stress. 8. Avoiding the most common upper body training mistakes. Many people make the same mistakes when trying to build upper body muscle. One of the most common is using poor form. Lifting with bad technique doesn't just limit your results, it can also lead to serious injury. Another mistake is skipping warm-ups or not preparing your body properly for heavier lifts. Others try to rush the process, using too much weight too soon or not allowing enough time for rest and recovery. And perhaps the biggest mistake is inconsistency. Skipping workouts, switching routines too often, or giving up after a few weeks will stall any progress. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and be patient with your journey. 9. The importance of variety in your workouts. If you've ever felt stuck in your training, adding variety might be exactly what you need. Doing the same exercises every week can lead to plateaus, where your muscles stop responding. Introducing new movements, changing your grip, switching equipment, or adjusting the tempo of your reps can wake up your muscles and reignite growth. Try body weight movements, resistance bands, machines, or even workout classes to keep things interesting. Variety also keeps you mentally engaged, which is key for long-term consistency. Every few weeks, reflect on what's working, what isn't, and adjust accordingly. Your body thrives on challenge, and change brings new results. 10. Staying consistent and motivated over time. Muscle growth takes time, and it's easy to lose motivation if you don't see instant results. That's why setting realistic, achievable goals is so important. Focus on small milestones, like showing up to all your workouts in a week, increasing your strength slightly, or improving your form. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Motivation also comes from your environment. Train with a friend, join a fitness community, or follow inspiring creators who push you to keep going. When progress feels slow, remind yourself why you started. Building an impressive upper body isn't just about how you look. It's about how you feel, the confidence you build, and the discipline you develop. Your upper body transformation starts with a decision. The decision to show up, train smart, eat well, and stay patient. Every rep, every meal, and every rest day is a building block. Focus on the process, trust the journey, and the results will follow. Strength isn't just built in the gym, it's built through consistency, effort, and belief in yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share it with someone who's working on their fitness goals, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivating and science-backed fitness tips every single week.